How many pancakes should we make?
Let's make 2 big ones. We added the oil to the pan.
Always grease.
Cut up some fruit. We're gonna add the batter. Yum.
Yum, yum.
They look good. Really good. What do you want this for dinner after a long day?
Every day.
Whoa.
Did a little savory pancake. Watered the pancake down a little bit with water, and then I put some meat stick and some cheese inside, so we'll see how it goes.
Cheers.
I thought that was
A good one.
I thought my rhyme was pretty good. Today we're doing
Corn.
corn. Step 1 with corn.
You gotta shuck it.
Shuck it hard, shuck it good,
Shuck it like you mean it.
shuck it like you should. When one corn was disappointed with their friend corn, what did they say to it?
So we got all of our corn all shucked, all
Shucked
clean. Now we gotta bring this pot of water to a boil. We've covered the corn in the boiling water.
Okay friends, here's some heavy Google searching. Here's some stuff to know about mold. Softer and more porous foods you should not eat any of if you see any mold, because it travels much easier. A nice hard cheese, however, usually doesn't penetrate too far, so you can just cut an inch around it in all directions, and usually it'll be okay.
You should cook the corn until it's a bright yellow that matches your fingernails. Cooked it for 5 minutes.
It's topping
The corn
time.
now.
You're gonna put a little sour cream and a little hot sauce.
Maybe even some cheese if you're feeling
Crazy. Tasty, tasty, tasty. It's a shuck, man.
vegan option. I'll put hummus on my corn.
Hey there, XA. You know what they say.
Cheers.
Maybe do this on day 1.
Corn can mold, so definitely not gonna be a late in the week venture. Ah, hot.
Hot pot.
Hot pot.
And today,
And today, we're gonna make some,
potatoes.
woo! Some sweet, some just regular, but
savory.
doing their best.
Just like us.
Step 1.
Get some water boiling.
Covering your things makes it boil faster. We're not gonna touch it because it's boiling. Remember, always wash your potato. Don't want no dirty potato. These are some clean potatoes!
And we're also gonna cut up some potatoes.
Time to get slicing.
The water is cooked down. We just added some oil so they can get crispy. We're just adding our toppings.
Or cream on potatoes.
Cheers.
It's the final day. Hello.
Howdy campers. Anywho, today,
We're making chana masala.
chana masala. So, what are we doing right now,
So
MB?
currently, we got some water boiling for some quinoa. Also have some oil heating up on a pan. We cut up an onion. We're gonna add it to the pan.
Okay. This one has notes of coriander. This one's a little bit more mysterious. I can't identify the scents. I'm excited to try both of them.
Welcome back. Hello.
Time for the moment of truth.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Which one did you try?
I tried the powdered mix.
There's like
Yeah.
a good spice to
I
it.
think we care.
Wow.
It's better.
I think it has more depth of flavor.
More depth. I don't think the pre-made is without flavor, but it definitely doesn't have the spice.
Overall though, which one would you say you like better?
I'm not a huge tomato guy, so I think I have to go for the can.
I really like the spicy powder.
See ya next time. Some leader pairs.
Yes.
Alright, you're still going. Alright.
What kind of name is stove? You appliance?
This one smells super sweet.
Cute taste by Tyga. Featuring Offset.
Can we have sour cream?
No.
I didn't think so. Final countdown
Final meal?
by Europe.
We're never gonna eat again.
We will fast until the trips begin. Wow, the ground is hot. Woo! Boo, boo, boo.
Boom, 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 boom.
As you guys can probably tell, it's a really busy week for us.